Top 10 awesome cars that changed the world.
10 awesome cars that changed the world. Here are 10 awesome cars that have had a significant impact and changed the world in various ways. 1. Ford Model T. The Ford Model T, introduced in 1908, revolutionized the automotive industry by making automobiles affordable and accessible to the masses. It popularized the assembly line production method and played a pivotal role in the growth of the automobile industry worldwide. 2. Volkswagen Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle, first introduced in the 1930s, became an iconic symbol of affordable and reliable transportation. It played a crucial role in motorizing post-war Europe and went on to become one of the best-selling cars of all time. 3. Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang, introduced in 1964, created a new category of cars known as pony cars and became an instant sensation. Its combination of sporty design, performance, and affordability made it a symbol of American automotive culture. 4. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius, introduced in 1997, was one of the first mass-produced hybrid electric vehicles. It played a significant role in popularizing hybrid technology and raising awareness about the importance of fuel efficiency and environmental sustainability. 5. BMW 3 Series. The BMW 3 Series has been a benchmark for compact luxury sports sedans since its introduction in 1975. It set new standards in performance, handling, and driving dynamics, influencing the design and engineering of many subsequent vehicles. 6. Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S, introduced in 2012, brought electric vehicles into the mainstream with its long range capability, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious features. It played a crucial role in changing perceptions about electric cars and accelerating the adoption of sustainable transportation. 7. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic has been a popular and influential compact car since its debut in 1972. It is known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. The Civic helped establish Honda's reputation as a leading automotive manufacturer. 8. Land Rover Range Rover. The Land Rover Range Rover, introduced in 1970, pioneered the luxury SUV segment. It combined off-road capabilities with refined luxury, setting the standard for high-end SUVs and influencing the automotive industry. 9. Porsche 911. The Porsche 911, introduced in 1963, is an iconic sports car that has evolved over the years. While retaining its distinctive design and rear-engine layout, it has become a symbol of performance, engineering excellence, and driving pleasure. 10. Fiat 500. The Fiat 500, originally introduced in 1957 and reintroduced in a modern form in 2007, is a compact city car that embodies style, charm, and Italian flair. It has become an iconic symbol of urban mobility and retro-inspired design.